Hi. Welcome to the Quickworks YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how you can access the Order Feature of Quicksuite, a super app by Quickworks. The Orders section has the orders in card form. Each card has merchant and customer details alongside the date, time, and order amount. All the orders placed are shown in the Orders section under different status tabs. Suppose a new order is created. It'll be shown under the Pending section here. When accepted by the merchant, it'll move under the Accepted Order tab. When the admin or merchant creates an order, it shows under the Accepted tab. If the order is cancelled, it moves under the Cancelled tab. When an order is delivered, the admin can change its status to Order Delivered. If the order is currently under preparation, it shows under the Ongoing tab. If the customer creates an order for a particular date and time, it'll be under the Scheduled tab, and all the other orders are considered instant delivery orders. Orders cards of mixed statuses are shown under the All tab. These status cards are indicated in different colors. The green color indicates the order is completed. The yellow card is for an order in preparation, and the red indicates a cancelled order. The admin can also use filters such as Select Module, Payment Mode, Start and End Dates, Username, Order ID, and Store Name to locate a particular order. Admin can create an order manually from this Create Order button and add the order details here. And through this button next here, the admin can export all the order data to other sources. This video completes the order feature for Quicksuite. Refer to our website to learn more about Quicksuite. Check the link in the description box.